Hey, welcome to Yarn Again. This is my challenge, yarn challenge, hosted by Laura from Armchair Chef Completed Project. I'm not going to try it on, but here is the one item that has everything in it. And I made a shawl, my very first shawl. I have it tied on the front, so it kind of looks like somebody's wearing it. I will have more pictures at the end of this video. I learned how to do that. I don't know how to put them on inside and voiceovers or any of that stuff. I got this pattern off of Fiber Spider. Like I said, my very first shawl. There's the knot. I'll unknot it. It's nice and flowy. It's big, a little too big for the bed. Tried getting the best pictures I could. And we have the little pin. No pattern. I just threw it together because I wanted to get something with all the colors. So I made the little pin, and it should go in the white like that so you could see the leaf. And the little leaf, and I show a little piece that has to be finished. Yeah. My yarn challenge 123. Armchair Chef is the hostess. And this is my completed project. And I will put a picture of the yarns that I have left at the end of this video. Thank you for coming by Yarn Again. My name is Teresa. I look forward to seeing you on the YouTube streets. Please leave your DNA and a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. And if you don't mind, share the video. Have a great day. Hi, if you're seeing this in a separate video, it is part 2 to the My Yarn Challenge 123, hosted by Armchair Chef Lori. This is the flower I made with my yarns. These are the yarns that I have left over. Trying to get you a good shot there. I have some of the skeins. This was too twisted to use. This was the last of the last one I used. I have 3 full ones. These are cotton by Kramer. They came like that. I did not do that, nor did the person that sent it to me. They were in a cellophane wrapper, but it made too much noise, so I thought I better take it out for y'all's ears. Didn't want to hurt those. And I have this, which is an acrylic blend. I don't know. I think she said it had cotton in it. I apologize. Candace, I don't recall, and I don't have the note with me right now. And I have 2 of these little itty bitty ones, because what I did was I tied them together in the middle and I pulled them at the same time, because I wasn't going to try to not have them tied together and have them flying all over the room, and the dog's thinking it was a new toy. And here's another close-up shot of my shawl. I did it. I've never made a shawl before. It's all double crochet. Skip one right here. Fiber Spider has it on his thing. I think it's called the Easy Peasy. I'm not 100% sure. It's Easy Shawl. I know that because I wouldn't try a hard one. Next one is coming up. Thank you for stopping by. I do appreciate it. Have a great day. Okay, here's the